What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So, today, basically, what we are going to do, this, as you all know, is my daily driver. And since I acquired this car, I have never given it a proper wash. I have never taken time to give it a proper wash because if you right now, if you enter, it is decent. But you know me, guys. You know I like perfections. I like having things that I can be proud of. Carrying you as my subscriber, if I meet you and want me to give you a lift, you enter my car and you're like, how is this guy's car this dirty? So today, basically, what we are going to do is that we are going to give this car a full detailed wash. We are going to remove the seats, the mats. We are going to wash every single part of it, and we are going to try to make it as good as I can. I am not a detailer, so don't expect me to give you tips on detailing. I am not. I'm just going to use some water here with soap. You can see. And we are going to try and wash it to our best things. And guys, I want you to introduce you to my cameraman. Finally, I have a cameraman. Yes, that is my cameraman. He is also my uncle. He's also my uncle. So he's my cameraman. And for today, I'm hoping so that we are going to create good shots. So on the main channel, we are going to be working on the Nissan Datsun 1200, and we are also going to wash it in this video. So stay tuned. Let's start washing this car. And now the first step, and of course we have to start with the interior, because I've been taking this car to a car wash. It has been washed outside, but car washes don't do the interior well. So I want to start by removing seats, removing such covers like this boot cover. We remove all of them so that we can be able to start assessing the damages, knowing where the problems are, and seeing what we can do about it. So first thing we are going to, because I'm right here in the boot, I'm going to take out this. This is where we place the jack, all that, so that with the extinguishers, some covers like this, some torque wrench, some wrenches, wheel wrench, and extensions, the jack, and even the spanners. So that is out, and as you can see, now I've already removed this. It is out, and this is why I want to wash this car. Come close, come close. Look at this. The amount of steel. You see, these things have been here. Look, yeah. So having a car in this condition, even the nuts and bolts have even started rusting. Both of them, just because this car has not been taken care of. And also me, I have abused it a bit. You can see there's oil. I have been carrying engines on this. You see there are holes. So I'm trying to bring this car in a situation whereby it is going to be at least presentable. Myself, I will feel good driving it, knowing that there's nothing wrong with it. So we are going to do a bit of a time lapse. So here you are just going to see it in, I think, 2-3 seconds. But we are going to remove this with my cameraman. We are going to remove the interior and everything. So let's do that. So in 3, 2, 1.
We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling. No, we ain't slowing it down. We keep on moving. We keep on moving along. We keep on rolling. Yeah. No, we ain't slowing it down. Let's go.
We ain't slowing down, baby, come and show me how. Gotta do it right now, you know you gotta hold me down. Can I let the moment pass? Good things, they never last. Pull up in a whip, you know I had to hit the gas. Yeah, that's premium, pull up with a team and them. Ain't worried about the other side, they know that they ain't beating them on everything I love. We're to the man above. Keep it cool, calm, collected. At this point, you get the message. Life is hectic, but we gotta keep it rolling, no. Gotta keep it grooving, keep it moving like we stole it, though. Rolling with the punches, giving hits like we are in a scope. Even though I'm clocking, punching in, I'm independent, though. Staying prayed up, ain't nothing gon' phase us. Ain't never gon' let a lame say what they just made up. I never take a pay cut, we getting what we worth in. I never change the blueprint, cause we know it's really working.
Keep on moving,
Moving,
we keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
keep
never
on moving.
moving,
We keep on moving along.
moving, keep it moving,
keep
keep
on
it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't
Keep it rolling, keep
slowing
it moving,
it
we
down.
ain't never gon' lose it. Cause we in it for the movement. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. Don't play into the amusement. If we trying, we ain't dying. Never sleep, never sleep, never. The moment that you rest your head, they think they can't compete. If you gotta skip steps, then the plan is not complete. Get your reps in, get your reps in, get your. Never rest on a past success. You gotta love what you do if you tryna be the best.
Keep on moving,
Moving,
we keep on moving along.
keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling.
No, we ain't slowing it down.
Never slowing down,
keep
never
on moving.
moving.
We keep on moving
Keep it
along.
moving, keep it moving, keep it
rolling.
rolling. Keep it rolling, keep it moving. We ain't never gonna lose it.
Now, finally, after removing every seat, everything from the inside, we started cleaning, a bit of brushing, and then we realized that we cannot fully clean this interior until we remove the whole mat. Then we started cleaning, fully cleaning with soap and everything. And hopefully the job we did was not bad. So let's just watch what we did without me talking a lot, because you can see. So yeah.
I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gon' shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging in circles. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we gon' bring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm shooting, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map, I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Something like the duck running. Yeah. I ain't coming with nothing. I know what they want from it. I can spot the fake loving. Rolling up the gates on it. Ain't no debating on it. It got legs like cake, honey. Usher, I'm skate on the beat. I done seen the play cross the feet. God drive like 6 feet. Flow sick, give me 6 feet. Mountain climbing out to hit a peak, bunch of snow in my seat, it ain't the same no more. Life is everything but the beach, like a chain. I'm a lean with you later for sure. Gotta do better than walking out and dodging it.
I can't lie to you guys, this was very satisfying. As you can see, the car looks brand new, and it's not that we did much, it's just that we did 1, 2, 3 things. And as you can see, the floor was now very clean. I can tell you, we even found Chinese coins inside this car, so I can assume since this car has been bought, it has never been washed, it has never had a clean, so it was that dirty. So we cleaned it, that's why it was stuffy and all this. Now you can see the end result. It looks good, it looks great. I'm actually proud of what we did, and I'm proud of my team. Thanks guys for all you have done for me. So just watch and see how we went on from here.
Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging in circles. Ay. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay.
Welcome to my wash shop. Now the car is clean inside and outside. Now all that remains is to wash the mats and everything else. So let's begin washing it, and then we are going to continue.
like it's delirium. Ay, ay, like it's delirium. Ay, I got delirium. Ay, like it's delirium. Yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Welcome to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. You know that it's bomb, they just wishing they could watch it glow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yeah, yeah, yeah? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I'll play the Xbox, Xbox, good gracious. I'm so grateful it made me say thank you, thank you, thank you, yeah. I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to ride upon me all night long. Like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Welcome to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. I know that it's bomb, they just wishing they could watch it glow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Ay, through the fire like a Shaka song. Ay, through the fire like I'm taking off. Like a rocket, I got wishes in my pocket. I can grant a couple things, girl, that really ain't no problem. Cause you I swear she drives me crazy, think my brain is gone. Man, I just can't shake it like delirium. When I get this faded, your body, I just can't shake it. And I just want you to ride upon me all night long. Like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, like it's delirium, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, like it's delirium, like it's delirium, ay, ay, like it's delirium, ay, I got delirium, ay, like it's delirium, yeah, yeah, like it's delirium. She just wanna bounce to it, baby, get your giddy on. Welcome to the stage with a drink like I'm Giveon, but I never came here to sing what I'm really on. Giving dividends, I'm trying to boost your career and all. Know you got a binge, you ain't got one with the ceiling gone. If you wanna get it gone, give me the experience. Make me a believer like a feature at the cinema. Then we gotta keep it all the secret like the Pentagon. All these peeping times, people asking me what we been on. I know that it's bomb, they just wishing they could watch it glow, watch it go through the fire like the Shaka song. Or was it yeah, yeah, yeah? Either way, she gon' play the PlayStation, I'll play that.
So guys, as you can see, the wires are back and the cables are okay, but there is that airbag light that is not it's not registering. It was not on, but now it's on. So tomorrow we are going to find out if it's okay, but for today we are about to take a test drive. So yeah, it is the next day, guys, and the car is back together. As you can see, the car is back together, everything is clean, it smells nice inside. Maybe you might not be able to smell it, but it is okay. So the problem is this: I think as we were washing, because of the excitement or because being caught up in the moment, we made a few mistakes. Number one, on the left side rear brake, it doesn't work. If I was to step on it, you see, the others work, but the left one does not work. Higher. Airbag light, come and see. So, that light, if I start the car, previously that light was not there, but right now it is. Everything else works. The speaker, let me just put something so you can hear. The speaker is okay, everything else is okay. So we are going to have to repeat everything we did yesterday all hoping we are not going to have to remove everything, but we need to find every wire or whatever went wrong. The airbag light, I think there's a wire below the driver's seat that I think we did not reconnect back, so I'm hoping that is the only problem. The one that I'm worried about is that light, the brake light. Now the worrying thing is I was not sure it was working before we removed or we took apart the interior, so it might have not been working. Now because we have checked over the car fully, now we notice it's not working. But the last time I checked and when I got this car, everything was working. So we need to fix the airbag light, we need to take it off. We also need to change that, fix that rear brake light. So let's do that. We start by removing this seat, the driver's seat, disconnect the wires, check if the wires are okay, and then we are going to find out if it is our mistake or it was just a coincidence that we need an OBD port or an OBD device to clear out the airbag situation. So let's do that. Finally, guys, we came to find out that the problem was we had not connected a wire underneath the passenger seat. So finally the car was okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to subscribe and see you next week.